Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making a protective style, just small cornrows and loose braids, and it's going to last for about 2 weeks. But yeah, I'm just here to show you how I do my loose braids, and I'll also do this. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to do a flat twist cornrow or the normal cornrow so that it can last for the 2 weeks. But when I get there, I will know. So stay tuned. And I hope you learned something from this video. Hey guys, so I'm back with another tutorial, and that's to show you how I make my famous famous loose braids, which is not my favorite protective style, to be honest. So what I start by doing is to braid my hair tightly at the root, and then after a while I just start to braid it loosely, just like you can see me doing. So how do I do that rather? I just bring my hands closer to the ends of my hair so that there's enough space for it to be as loose as possible. But at the same time, I also don't like it to be too loose, right? So I try to check as I'm doing it. So I'll just allow you to watch this. Hopefully you understand. Yeah, enjoy. So that's it, guys. For people that have seen me physically and asked me how I did it, that was how I explained to them. And I feel like if you just know how to braid your hair by yourself ordinarily, then you should be able to do these loose braids. So yeah, I just did at least I did the normal cornrows in front, just because I want this hair to last for the 2 weeks. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and yeah, bye guys.